So now the problem will arise when we will go to print the third queen here, because in case of third queen, you see we cannot place any queen in this position, because in each and every position there is the bounding function. If we place here, then it will be in the same column. If we place it here, then it will be in the same diagonal of its. If we to place here, then it will be same column of the second queen. And if we place this here, then it will be what? It will be in the again same diagonal. For this situation, what we will do, like this situation, when it will occur, then the, you see, we are going this part, k minus minus. That means that k minus minus means delete the previous queen. So we will do what? We will backtrack. This is the backtracking concept, that we will do what? We cannot able to place the third queen. We cannot able to place it. So that means what? To backtrack it. We have to backtrack it. And by backtracking, what we will do? We will replace this position of the queen here. So replace this position of the queen means what? This cannot be placed here, or this cannot be placed here. But there is another option left. There is another option left, that we can move this second queen. We can move this second queen here. So that means by backtracking and k minus minus, this is the backtracking concept. So the second queen, what we will do? We'll move the second queen in this position. In the fourth, we will move the queen in the fourth position. Now we will what? Again, this will be like this, it will be executed, and it will check that in which position we can place the third queen, in which position we can place the third queen. In the first position, we cannot able, because this is in the same column. In this position, we can what? In this position, we can place it. Our third queen, we can place it in this position. Because you see that what is that? This is the diagonal of this queen, and this is what? This is the same column, and this is of the same column. But this position is what? In this position, if we place the queen, it will not attack to each other. So we have put it here. We have put this third queen in the second position. But already like this, we can place it. There is no problem. But again, the problem will be arise. Again, the problem will be arise when we want to place the fourth queen in the fourth row. Because in this position, we cannot place the queen here. In this position also, we cannot place the queen because it is of the same column. In this position also, it will not able to place it because it is what? In the same diagonal. And then this position, what we will do? In this position also, we cannot put the queen because it is the same column. It is the same column of this. So where will put the fourth queen now? So that means again k minus minus we will do. That means again backtrack. Now what? After backtracking for 4, it will goes to 3. After backtracking from 4, it will goes to 3, means this third queen. But you see, this third queen cannot be placed in any position. Without this position, if it moved here or here, it cannot be done because they will attack now each other. So that means what? This queen will also be deleted. So we will go to the backtracking in the second queen. That means what? This queen also get deleted, and we goes to this second queen. Now second queen is what? Second queen is placed in the fourth position. Now what? We cannot able to move it here because if we move it in this direction, then the other queen cannot be placed. Or if we want to move in this direction, then it cannot be done because it is the last. It is the last cell. So that means this is already no solution. We cannot get. So we will delete that again. So the from second queen, we will again backtrack it. And after backtracking, we will go to what? In the case of the first queen. So after backtracking, we goes to the first queen. Now, what? The other queen are not present in the board. So that means this queen cannot be moved here and there. So it is already in the first position. Instead of this, let's say we move this queen into this position. Let's say we move this queen into this first position. The queen we placed is where? The queen, we will do that. If we place the queen in the first queen in the second column, then first place this second column. Then after that, in the first, there is, we cannot place the queen here. We also didn't place the queen here. In this position, we also cannot place because same diagonal, but we can place the second queen in this position comfortably. So the second queen is placed here. Then again, this will be what? AK less than 1 and place K. So it will go here. So here in this loop will be executed and it will not equal to A position and or ABS AI minus A position means this is also not true. So that means what? The third queen can be placed in what? The third queen can be placed in this position. So we can place this third queen here. After that, what? In the case of fourth queen, when we want to place the fourth queen can be comfortably placed here. So for this all, it will return what? It will return 1. If it is return 1, that means we will place the queen. But if it is return 0, that means what? Bounding function is occurring. If it is 0, then that means what? The bounding function, we can say the bounding function is occurring. So from what? It will check. So this loop will check what? So let's write, we will write it as a, this loop will check what? This loop will check from first row, from first row to the current, to the current row minus 1. This will check first row to the current row minus 1. And to check, what it will check? To check with all the previous queens, all the previous queen, all the previous queens. And when it will return 0, this will, when return will 0, if a queen exists in same column or diagonal. So if this is what? 0 will be returned when the queen exists in the same row or same diagonal. So after this, whenever all the queens will be placed, whenever all the queens will be placed, then this, if k equal to n, this will be executed because k is what? Already all the queens are placed and k become 4 now. So n is what? We are taking n as a 4. So 4 equal to 4, that means the solutions will be printed here. The solutions will be what? The solutions will be printed here. So this is what, this is about the n-queens problem. So this is all about the n-queens problem programming. Okay. So it is clear to everyone. And now after that, what it you see? Okay. Another thing is that you see, I have missed to discuss with you that I have used another functions here. The print solution. This is another function. So that means we have to declare this also. We have to declare these functions also. It will what? It will print the our solution. It will print the solution here. So void print and solution. It is taking what? N. That means int n value. It is taking. And we will use two variables I and j. We will use two variables I and j and count plus plus, because the count will be done here. That how many solutions are present. Then printf, we are saying that slash n solution we are saying that hash %d slash n. Let's say it will print what? It will print the count. So how many count or how many solution are present there? And here we will use two loops. I and j we have used, so that means two loops will be used. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, then I plus plus. Same as that. So inside this, another j loop will be used because this is a code matrix. So j equal to 1, it will be j less than equal to n and j plus plus. Okay. So inside this, what we will write? If ai, let's say ai equal to j. So if ai equal to j, what this means? That the column number, that the column number is equal to column number is equal to the current column. Let's say that the column number we are taking, it is equal to the current column or not. If it is equal, then it will do what? It will print will so it will print what? It will print f q. That means the queen position will be placed. Queen q, the queen position will be placed. So queen will be placed here. and otherwise else print star. Let's say print star here. Let's say print star here. And after this, we use printf /n. So that means in the current column number is equal to the current column. If it is equal to the current column, means the column we are checking and the current column which is equal, then the queen will be what? The queen will be placed. Otherwise, there will be star. That means we cannot place the queen in that position. So that's how this programming has made. So first, before executing, check that once first. We'll check it first. So we will have to save it here. Yes. So that means we will first check that 4 queen. So there is some error, that's why it is not shown. So let's say there I have mistake someone that is less than equal to. There should be less than equal to, and that's why it is not shown previously. But now you see that the queens are placed here. The two solutions. See that the two solutions are present here. For the 4 queens, you see the two solutions. What are the two solutions? You can see the first queen is what? In the second position, the first queen can be placed. Then the second queen can be placed in this fourth position. Then the first queen is what? The first queen can be placed in the, this third queen can be placed in the first position. And the fourth queen is placed in the what? Fourth queen is placed on the third position. So that means what? That means if we place this queen like this, then it will not attack each other. This is a one solution. That is what? That is 2, 4, 1, and 3. This is a solution. Another solution will be what? From back this side, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2. That is what? 3, 1, 4, 2. So these two solutions are present for if we use the 4 queens. But if we use the 8 queens, then the number of solution will be very much. The number of solutions will be 92 something. If you do this, you can able to see that number of the solution will become more number of solutions will be present. Like if we do this example, we use the 8 queens, then you see the number of solution is 92. So the 8 queens can be placed in 92 ways. If we use the case, let's say we use 16 queens, then the number of solutions will be much more. Then the number of solutions will be what? Then it will goes up to, because there is much number of solution, it will not stop. Here you can see this is going on. So if the number of solutions there, it will be over to the power thing. So the number of solutions will be large if this is the 16. But in our syllabus, it is the 4x4 queens. For in our syllabus, it is already, we have discussed during the class also, we have discussed that in our syllabus it is placed only the four queens problem. So that means if we execute this 4 queens, you can see that these 2 ways it can be placed. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you will do, I will give you some time. Let's say 10 minutes I will give you. In this 10 minutes, what you do, I will share this with you, the full screen. I will share this full screen with you. And what you will do, you do the coding or write the code here. So write the code here. In one screen, I will not able to show you because the program is large. So first I will share with you, and you will do what? You write this code. Okay, write this code, and after that I will see your results. Okay, so I am giving you 10 minutes time. Now it is 3:48. So in 3:58, from 3:58, we will start seeing the output of yours. Okay.
Okay.
रिया, तुम्हारा नेटवर्क का बहुत डिस्टर्ब, मतलब हम समझ नहीं पाए क्या बोलो।
सर ओके बोले, नेटवर्क क्या डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है।
हाँ हाँ, चाईबासा में बहुत डिस्टर्ब है, हम मुझे भी
सर
पता है।
यहाँ बहुत आज बारिश हुआ है सर।
चाईबासा में नेटवर्क का जो हाल है, नेटवर्क और पावर कट का, इसका कोई मतलब सॉल्यूशन अभी तक नहीं निकला।
नहीं सर, सर आज बहुत बारिश हुआ है चाईबासा में।
चाईबासा में बारिश का कहा, इधर तो कोई नहीं हुआ कुछ, मगर इस साइड में तो
सर
कुछ
इधर
नहीं हुआ।
बहुत बारिश हुआ है सुबह से।
कल रात से लगातार बारिश हो रहा है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, तुम लोग करो, हम फिर 358 से देखेंगे।
सर हो गया।
Okay. So now I will give the option to for sharing this. I will give the option. So one by one, you will share that.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Visible, but before I will say that DC Hiralal and Abhishek, you are using the photo of another person and doing this. Why are you using this? तुम लोग पूजा का फोटो लेके अपना अकाउंट में क्यों डाल रहे थे? हम देखे, नोटिस किए। ये चीज नेक्स्ट टाइम से नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये क्लास है, ठीक है?
सर मी
हाँ, तुम्हारा फोटो में क्या अभिषेक कुमार और हीरालाल हम देखे, और दोनों का ही इसमें पूजा का फोटो था, पूजा कुमारी का। बट क्यों हुआ था ये पता नहीं, मगर क्यों ये तुम लोग किए थे?
सर क्या किए थे?
फोटो में जहाँ हम स्क्रीन देख रहे थे ना, स्क्रीन
हाँ।
जब हम पार्टिसिपेंट्स का स्क्रीन देख रहे थे, तब तुम लोगों का उसमें पूजा कुमारी का फोटो दिखा रहा था। वो कैसे हुआ, क्या क्यों हुआ पता नहीं, बट ये चीज नेक्स्ट टाइम से नहीं होना चाहिए।
सर हम किसी पूजा को नहीं जानते हैं।
क्यों पता नहीं, मगर अभिषेक तुम्हारा या कोई दूसरा अभिषेक है तुम्हारे साथ?
सर कोई और होगा सर, मेरा नहीं है। हम कभी
अच्छा।
आज तक फोटो वोटो नहीं लगाया है।
नहीं, ये चीज नेक्स्ट टाइम से नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? ओके, सो वी विल कम टू द क्लास नाउ। रिया, यू शो दैट।
Okay, sir. Sir, is my output screen visible?
No, output screen is not visible.
Sir, is it visible?
हाँ, it is visible now.
Sorry. Hello.
हाँ, ये निकल गया, देखा तो तुम्हारा आउटपुट नहीं देख पाए हम।
हाँ सर, पता नहीं स्क्रीन चला गया।
हाँ।
Sir,
Okay.
visible?
Visible. It is visible. Okay.
Okay.
हाँ, अभिषेक।
यस सर।
हाँ, तुम्हारा हुआ है?
नहीं सर, हम नहीं बना रहे।
अभी तक बनाए नहीं तुम?
सर यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है और मेरा नेटवर्क का भी बहुत ज्यादा इशू है, बार बार क्लास से ही लेफ्ट हो जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो तुम मतलब तुम्हारे पास कुछ